Oh, not centered. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Right, guys, Tiana and Summer are upstairs right now. Roblox on the iPads. I just know some of you guys are going to be a bit bad at me, but I just couldn't resist it. The squishies are back. Toys and Daddy. Toys and Daddy here. Oh. You guys know these squishies are from LA, California, when I was at Venice Beach. And Tiana, she didn't really hide them well. I found them under the bed pretty easy. And the satisfying feeling is back. The little lambs are gonna get cut up. Toys and Daddy style. Let's do this. I don't even know what this dude is. I'm sure Tiana said it's a fish. No fish looks like that. Not centered. I mean, come on. No fish looks like that. Weird. I think I'll do the fish first. I've got to be a bit quiet, guys. You know I like to be loud. But she's upstairs, like I said. So, little... Do you know what? It's got fish lips. Maybe a tail. Oh! Oh, it's been a while. That felt good. You guys know you love the squishy episodes. All right then. That must be a fish wing. Was. Loving it. I'm loving it like that. Loving it. I'm loving it like that. Oh, now I recognise what this is. A ball. Not a fish, a ball. Yeah. You're the goalkeepers. Penalty for England coming up. Okay. Right then. You ready? Got your goalkeeper's gloves on? The shot's powerful and it's coming straight for you. Left or right?
It's all over, I think.
Hold on. On the penalty spot.
It's...
Kane!
80,000 impressions later.
Need to lift it a bit. Here's Kane. Coming up. What a goal! Right, where should I start on this one? It's a ball, so... Do you know what? Let's split the two colours, blue and white. So we'll just do a little tear, because you know what's coming up next, guys. Oh, yeah. That's up. You need to get the close up for this. You guys are used to this by now. Stay silent for this shot, guys. It's so satisfying. Listen carefully. Divine. Oh, the inside of this fish. Oh, it's just so soft. Oh. Just have a look close, guys. Wow. Oh. Here we go. Shh. You know you like that, guys. You just know you like that. Comment down below right now if you think that was satisfying. I'm sure Tiana said this was a lamb. Isn't that a goat? I'm sure that's a goat. Goat with its tongue out. put some food in there now, can't you? Oh! Wow, it's pink inside! Definitely a goat. Not a lamb, that's a goat. Ooh. Why not? Wow. Now you look like a troll. Now for the goat's butt. Oh no, look at that unicorn looking at me. He don't look very happy with me, does he? Right there, guys. Let's make this squishy blue, because I'm sure it's blue inside, guys. So the face, yes, a bit more white there. Wow. I'm sure they are centered though. I'm not smelling goat. It's a nice smell. You gotta go. Right, I think I'm alright still. You gotta go. Get ready for it, guys. Here comes the big finale. Oh, so relaxing and obviously satisfying. Now this is the part where I clean up all the evidence, and don't comment down below that Toys and Daddy cut open Tiana's squishies, please, because there's another episode coming up very soon. Squishy evidence. Tiana having summer upstairs. Like a pig. Okay, looking good. Got rid of that. Got rid of, oh, got to go over there on top. Okay. Some more over there. Okay, that's good. Yeah. There you go. So there you have it, guys. Toys and Daddy episode over. Comment down below if you enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you want Toys and Daddy to do another squishy episode. Over and out. No, I never forgot it. So you can delete that comment. 3, 2, 1.